Hey guys, welcome back to my tutorial series for GitHub, and in this tutorial I'm gonna create a repository and I will show you how we can clone that repository to your computer, add file and make a commit to the remote GitHub repository. So here I don't have any the GitHub repo, so first uh, I'm gonna create one repository for demo. So let's go and create it. So this is git tutorial and I'm gonna put this repo as a public. So we are all set. So let's copy this SSH URL. Then what I will do is I'm gonna open new terminal. Then let's go to desktop. Then let's create one folder called tutorial. Let's go inside tutorial. Then here I'm gonna clone the repo that I have created. So I do have empty GitHub repo now. So let's go and check the status. Oh yeah, we need to go inside the git tutorial. So for that, git tutorial, so check git status. So we don't have anything here, so what I'm gonna do is I will create one file and I will see what will happen. So let's go to the notepad, then type print hello git, then set this file. So I'm gonna call this file as a first.py. Then let's close this notepad. So check git status. So here you can see that we do have one untracked file. So what we can do is we can add this file to the current repo. So for that you can type git add first.py, then check git status. So changes to be committed. So you saw that now that untracked file is recognized as a tracked file. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna commit this file -m first.py file commit. So now I'm gonna push this thing to this repo. So here we don't have anything till now. So go here, type git push origin, then type master. Now if you refresh this page, then you can see that we do have first.py file here. So in this way you can add a file to your local GitHub repo and commit that file to the remote repo. Please follow the next tutorial so that you can get more information about how to work with GitHub.